Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use your old laptop as a wireless monitor or a second screen to which you can cast from any Windows or Android device. This does not require any third-party applications or any external hardware. It can be achieved with an existing Windows feature. I'm gonna show you how. On your old laptop, Windows search for optional features. Choose the add an optional feature menu. Click on view features. Search for wireless display. Select and click next and install. Once the installation is complete, again go to Windows search and search for projection settings. Under the projection settings, change the settings to available everywhere on secure network and choose the other options as per your requirement, and then click on launch the wireless display app to project to this PC. So once this is done, your old laptop is ready to be used as wireless display. You can use it as a second screen with your laptop or cast your Android phone's screen to it. To use as a second screen on the other laptop, press Windows key and letter K. Look for your old laptop's name. It shows up on the list of available displays and connect to it. You can choose how you need to use this display by pressing Windows key and letter P. To cast your Android phone's screen onto the old laptop, select Cast or Screen Mirroring or the Smart View option on your phone depending on the manufacturer. So I'm using a Samsung, so for me it would be Smart View. Click on Smart View, search for the old laptop's name and then click on Connect.